Common words you can use when you visit the Philippines. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Before we start, I'd like to thank all our members and especially our supporters on Patreon. And if you want to read along while listening, you can go to patreon.com/, learn Tagalog Filipino and become a free member. Greetings and politeness. Magandang umaga po. I guess you've heard this before. Magandang umaga or magandang umaga po. Good morning. That's magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon. Magandang hapon po. If you want to be polite. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon po. Magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Or magandang gabi po if you want to be polite. Kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta ka? How are you? Or kumusta po kayo? How are you? Kumusta po kayo? Again, with the po if you wanna be polite. Kumusta po kayo? Mabuti naman. Salamat. Or mabuti naman po. Salamat. Mabuti naman po. Salamat. I'm fine, thank you. Kumusta ang biyahe nyo? Kumusta ang biyahe nyo? Kumusta ang biyahe nyo? How was your trip? How was your trip? Kumusta ang biyahe nyo? Salamat po sa inyong tulong. Salamat po sa inyong tulong. Salamat po sa inyong tulong. Thank you for your help. Salamat sa inyong tulong. Or salamat po sa inyong tulong. Again, if you want to be polite, you could use po. Next, pasensya na po. Marami po bang ang tanong? Ang may tanong? Or, I'm sorry, pasensya na po. Maaari po bang magtanong? Pasensya na po. Pwede po bang magtanong? That's another way to say it. Excuse me, may I ask a question? Again, pasensya na po. Pwede po bang magtanong? Or pasensya na po. Maaari po bang magtanong? But you could usually hear, pwede po bang magtanong? Again, that's pasensya na po. Pwede po bang magtanong? Excuse me, may I ask a question? Okay. Next. Paalam. Ingat. Goodbye. Take care. Paalam. Ingat. Or paalam po. Ingat kayo. Goodbye. Take care. Paalam. Ingat. Or ingat kayo. Goodbye. Take care. Now let's move on to the next one. Pagtatanong ng daan. O pagtatanong kung saan. Asking for directions. Saan po ang banyo? Saan po ang banyo? Where is the bathroom or where is the comfort room? Or where is the washroom? Saan po ang banyo? Or saan po ang CR? Saan po ang CR? Paano po pumunta sa himpilan ng tren? Or Paano po pumunta sa stasyon ng tren? Paano po pumunta sa stasyon ng tren? How do I get to the train station? Paano po pumunta sa stasyon ng tren? Paano po pumunta sa stasyon ng tren? How do I get to the train station? Next, saan po ang hintayan ng bus? Some would say bus. Saan po ang hintayan ng bus? Saan ang hintayan ng bus? Or saan ang stasyon ng bus? Stasyon ng bus. Usually in the Philippines, there are no bus stations. But there are. The ones that going to the province, yes, there are. Sorry about that. Saan po ang stasyon ng bus? Where's the bus waiting area or where's the bus station? All right. Alin ang daan papunta sa check-in counter or saan ang daan papunta sa check-in counter? Saan ang daan papunta sa check-in counter? Which is the way to the check-in counter? Saan po ang daan papunta sa check-in counter? Or you could simply say, saan po ang check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? Saan po ang check-in counter? There. Now, next. Saan po ang immigration? Saan po ang immigration? Where is immigration? Saan po ang immigration? Where is immigration? Saan po matatagpuan ang departure area? Where can I find the departure area? Saan po matatagpuan ang departure area? Saan po matatagpuan ang departure area? Where can I find the departure area? Saan po matatagpuan ang departure area? Okay, next. Saan banda po ang pinakamalapit na exit? Saan banda po ang exit? Saan po ang exit? That all means the same. Where is the nearest exit? Where's the exit? Saan po ang exit? Or you could sometimes say or hear, saan po ang labasan? There. Saan po ang labasan? There. Where's the exit? Nearest exit. Ano po ang pinakamadaling paraan papunta sa airport? Or ano po ang pinakamabilis na daan papuntang airport? What is the easiest way to get to the airport? Ano po ang pinakamadaling paraan o daan papunta sa airport? Ano po ang pinakamabilis na daan papuntang airport? Ano po ang pinakamabilis na daan papuntang airport? Where's the nearest or fastest way to get to the airport? Okay. May signage po ba para sa arrivals at departures? Is there a sign for arrivals and departures? Meron po bang karatula para sa arrivals at departures? Meron po bang karatula para sa arrivals or departures? Okay. Transportasyon at pamasahe. So, fares and transportation. Magkano po ang pamasahe papuntang Maynila? Or magkano po ang pasahe papuntang Manila? Magkano po ang pamasahe papuntang Manila? How much is the fare to Manila? Magkano po ang pamasahe papuntang Manila? There. Next. Ano po ang schedule ng susunod na bus? Ano po ang oras ng susunod na bus? What is the schedule of the next bus or what is the time of the next bus? What time will the next bus arrive? Or anong oras po darating ang susunod na bus? What time will the next bus arrive? Anong oras po ang dating ng susunod na bus? There. Next. May taxi po ba na pwedeng sakyan dito? Is there a taxi available here? May taxi po ba na pwedeng sakyan dito? Or you could say, may taxi po bang dumadaan dito? Is there a taxi passing by here? May taxi po ba na dumadaan dito? Is there a taxi that passes by here? May taxi po ba na dumadaan dito? There. Next. Paano po ako makakasakay ng jeep papuntang hotel? How can I take a jeep to the hotel? Paano po ako makakasakay ng jeep papunta sa hotel? Again, that is how do I take a jeep to the hotel? Paano po ako makakasakay ng jeep papunta sa hotel? Paano po ako makakasakay ng jeep papunta sa hotel? That's useful, all right? Especially if you're saving money, you don't want to take the taxi. Next, ano po ang pinakamurang paraan para makarating sa downtown? What's the cheapest way to get to downtown? Of course, jeep or tricycle. Ano po ang pinakamadaling paraan para makarating sa downtown? What is the easiest way to get to downtown? Ano po ang pinakamadaling paraan para makapunta sa downtown? There. Nag-aalok po ba kayo ng shuttle service papunta sa airport? Do you offer a shuttle service going to the airport or to the airport? Or you could ask this way. Saan po makakahanap ng shuttle service papunta sa airport? Where can I find a shuttle service going to the airport? Where can I find a shuttle service going to the airport? Saan po ako makakahanap ng shuttle service papunta sa airport? Saan po ako makakahanap ng shuttle service papunta sa airport? But if you're in NCR, you could just download Grab and then, yeah, take the Grab taxi. But if you want to get a shuttle service, that's how you ask that question. Where's the Grab or taxi pickup station? Okay, how do you say that? Saan po ang hintuan ng taxi or Grab? Saan po makakakuha ng taxi or Grab? There. Saan po ako makakahanap ng taxi? Where can I find a taxi? Saan po ako makakahanap ng taxi? There. If we don't have the Grab app downloaded, you could just ask that. Saan po makakahanap ng taxi? And I'm sure a lot of your neighbors or people around you will help you out. And yes, there are a lot of taxis, especially in Metro Manila. Next, magkano po ang renta ng sasakyan sa loob ng isang araw? This is useful. How much is the car rental for a day? Magkano po ang renta ng sasakyan sa loob ng isang araw? Magkano po ang renta ng sasakyan sa isang araw, sa isang buong araw? How much is the car rental for one whole day? Magkano po ang renta ng sasakyan sa isang buong araw? Magkano po ang renta ng sasakyan sa isang buong araw? I forgot to tell you guys, if it's too fast, let me know. Let me know in the comments so I could make it slower for you guys, okay? But if the pacing is okay with you, yeah, let's move on with other lessons. Next, sa airport, at the airport. Airport is also called paliparan, but not a lot of people use that. But also you could say paliparan. But it's easier to say airport. Sa airport, at the airport. Okay? Next. Paki-check po ang boarding pass ko. Paki-check po ang boarding pass ko. Please check my boarding pass. Please check my boarding pass. Paki-check po ang boarding pass ko. Saan po ang gate para sa aming lipad papuntang Cebu? Where is the gate for our flight to Cebu? Saan po ang gate para sa papunta sa Cebu? There. Saan po ang gate papuntang Cebu? There. Where's the gate for our flight to Cebu? There you go. Saan po ang gate para sa aming flight papuntang Cebu? Again, saan po ang gate para sa aming flight papuntang Cebu? Where is the gate for our flight to Cebu? Saan po ang gate para sa aming flight papuntang Cebu? Okay. Anong oras ang boarding namin? What time is our boarding? Anong oras po ang boarding time namin? That's another way to say it. Anong oras po ang boarding time namin? Or anong oras po ang boarding namin? Anong oras po ang boarding time namin? It's a bit redundant when you think about it, but a lot of Filipinos say it that way. Anong oras po ang boarding namin? Or anong oras po ang boarding time namin? What time is our boarding? Alright? Magkano po ang overweight baggage fee? How much is the overweight baggage fee? Magkano po ang overweight baggage fee? Again, magkano po ang overweight baggage fee? There. How much is the overweight baggage fee? Next, paano po makapag-refund ng ticket? How can I get a ticket refund? Paano po makapag-refund ng ticket? Paano ko po mare-refund ang ticket ko? Another way of saying it. Paano ko mare-refund ang ticket ko? Paano ko mare-refund ang ticket ko? There. Next. Where can I rebook my flight? Where can I rebook a flight? Saan po pwedeng mag-rebook ng 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 flight? I'm sure that will be helpful in case you're in that kind of situation. Next, meron po bang lounge para sa business class? Is there a lounge for business class passengers? Meron po bang lounge para sa business class passengers? Meron po bang lounge para sa business class passengers? There. Pwede po bang magdala ng tubig sa loob ng eroplano? Pwede po bang magdala ng tubig sa loob ng eroplano? Alright, pwede po bang magdala ng tubig sa loob ng eroplano? Okay, guys, I'm going to finish this and the rest of the episode will be on patreon.com/learn Tagalog Filipino. Right, you could see the whole episode on our all the whole podcast on our Patreon. Okay, even for free members, I'll put it there. You could become a free member. All right. Again, thank you to our listeners, to our members. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. At yep, we'll still continue this. I'll still continue this for our uh members. Stay tuned, okay? Do not stop the recording. Okay. I'll see you again. Again, patreon.com learn Tagalog Filipino. Thanks to our supporters. Okay, let's continue. There you go. We are at number 4. Saan po pwedeng mag-rebook ng flight? Where can I rebook my flight? Meron po bang lounge para sa business class? Meron po bang lounge para sa business class? There you go. Is there a lounge for business class passengers? Pwede po bang magdala ng tubig sa loob ng eroplano? Can I bring water inside the airplane? Pwede po bang magdala ng tubig sa loob ng eroplano? Pwede po bang magdala ng tubig sa loob ng eroplano? Can I bring water inside the airplane? Saan po ang immigration para sa departure clearance? Saan po ang immigration para sa departure clearance? Where is the immigration for departure clearance? There you go. Next. Sa loob ng eroplano. Inside the plane or on the plane. Ingat po sa pag-akyat at pagbaba sa hagdan papunta sa eroplano. Be careful when going up and down the stairs to the airplane. Ingat po sa pag-akyat at pagbaba sa hagdan papunta sa eroplano. There you go. Next. Don't forget to wear your seatbelt inside the airplane. Huwag kalimutang isuot ang seatbelt sa loob ng eroplano. Huwag kalimutang isuot ang seatbelt sa loob ng eroplano. There you go. Next, please pass the headset so I can watch a movie during the flight. Pakiabot naman po ang headset para makapanood ng movie habang nasa flight or habang lumilipad. Pakiabot naman po ang headset para makapanood ako ng movie habang nasa flight. Okay? Next, is it okay if I sit next to the window? Okay lang po ba na umupo sa tabi ng bintana or malapit sa bintana? Okay lang po ba na umupo sa malapit sa bintana? Is it okay if I sit next to the window? Next, mas gusto kong umupo malapit sa aisle para madali akong makatayo. I prefer to sit near the aisle so I can easily stand up. Mas gusto kong umupo malapit sa aisle para madali akong makatayo. Mas gusto kong umupo sa may gitna para madali akong makatayo. That's another way to say it in Tagalog. Pwede po bang makahingi ng extra na unan at blanket? Can I request an extra pillow and blanket? Pwede po bang makahingi ng extra unan at blanket? Again, pwede po bang makahingi ng extra unan at blanket? Can I request an extra pillow and blanket? Alright, next. Ano po ang pipiliin nating pagkain? Chicken or fish? What meal will you choose? Chicken or fish? Ano pong pipiliin nating pagkain? Ano pong pipiliin nating pagkain? Chicken or fish? What meal will we choose? Chicken or fish? Ano pong pipiliin nating pagkain? Chicken or fish? There you go. Next. Nagugutom at nauuhaw na po ako. Malapit na po ba tayo? I'm already hungry and thirsty. Are we close? Nagugutom at nauuhaw na po ako. I'm hungry and thirsty. Nagugutom at nauuhaw na po ako. Nagugutom na ako. I'm hungry. Nauuhaw na ako. I'm thirsty. May tubig po ba kayo? Do you have water? May tubig po ba kayo? Do you have water? To stay calm, let's pray as we are approaching the landing. Para mapanatag, magdasal muna tayo habang papalapit na sa palapagan or landing area or airport. Okay? Para mapanatag, magdasal muna tayo habang papalapit na sa paglapag. There you go. Nawawalang bagay at mga emergencies. Lost items and emergency situations. Okay. Hindi ko mahanap ang aking passport. Naiwan ko yata sa bahay. Oh no. I can't find my passport. I think I left it at home. Hindi ko mahanap ang aking passport. Naiwan ko yata sa bahay. Hindi ko mahanap ang passport ko. Naiwan ko yata sa bahay. I can't find my passport. I think I left it at home. All right. Okay. Next. Pasensya na po. Na-misplace yata ng airline ng aking check-in baggage. Sorry, I think the airline misplaced my check-in baggage. Pasensya na po. Na-misplace yata ng airline ang aking check-in baggage. Alright, next. Where can I file a complaint about lost or damaged baggage? In Tagalog, that would be, saan po pwedeng magreklamo tungkol sa nawawala o nasirang bagahe? Again, saan po pwedeng magreklamo tungkol sa nawala o nawawala o nasirang bagahe? Saan po pwedeng magreklamo tungkol sa nawawala o nasirang bagahe? Next, pwede po bang humiram ng luggage cart? Pwede po bang manghiram ng luggage cart? Can I borrow a luggage cart? Pwede po bang manghiram ng luggage cart? Can I borrow a luggage cart? May malapit po bang currency exchange counter dito? May malapit po bang currency exchange counter dito? Is there a nearby currency exchange counter here? Is there a nearby currency exchange counter here? May malapit po bang currency exchange counter dito? Meron po bang malapit na palitan ng pera dito? An easier way to say it. Meron po bang malapit na palitan ng pera dito? Is there a nearby currency exchange counter? Meron po bang palitan or malapit na palitang ng pera dito? Meron po bang malapit ng palitan ng pera dito? Or you could simply say, saan po pwedeng magpapalit ng pera? Saan po pwedeng magpapalit ng pera? Where can I change or where is a currency exchange office? Saan po ang malapit na palitan ng pera? There. That's useful. Especially if you want to change your dollars to peso or whatever currency that is. Next, pakisuyo, i-on ang aking cellphone. Ubos na ang baterya. Okay. Pwede po bang mag-charge ng cellphone? Can I charge my cellphone? Pwede po bang ma-charge ang cellphone ko dito? Can I charge my cellphone here? This is useful if your mobile phone is low battery. Pwede po bang maki-charge dito? Another way to say it. Pwede po bang maki-charge dito? Pwede po bang maki-charge dito? Can I charge my cell phone here? Most of the time, you can ask permission and they will let you charge your mobile phone. Just be careful. If you could hold your mobile phone or if you could stay beside your mobile phone all the time so you don't lose it, okay? Now, next. May available ba kayong wheelchair para sa aking lola? Do you have an available wheelchair for my grandmother? Do you have an available wheelchair for my grandmother? May available ba kayong wheelchair para sa lola ko? Okay. May available ba kayong wheelchair para sa lola ko? Again, guys, thank you for listening. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig sa episode na to. Kung gusto mong makatulong, kung gusto mong maging member or Patreon member, go to learntagalogfilipino.com for more lessons. Again, that's patreon.com/learntagalogfilipino. And there are more lessons there. Thank you so much.